Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MLNT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above $4.75. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $4.75, I am not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above $4.75, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from more so the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 475 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, initial level right here, and really the main overall level seems to be right up around the $5.40 mark. I get it that the price did peak its head up above there, but as far as more so kind of just a general comment in terms of the general price congestion area, right up around 540 seems to be that key level to fight through. But really, in all actuality, resistance levels don't mean that much. What do I mean? Well, it means the most is what this chart is already doing, and that is this right here. Building higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as time goes by, as long as these stair steps keep getting higher and higher, then everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So overall, nice looking chart, great way to start off the week. And as long as the price continues to go through those healthy consolidations, just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.